I was born in Detroit, Michigan, of which I'm always proud because it was, Motor City and the music city of the world. We moved to Buffalo, New York, when I was about 8. With my mother's push, she was very into education. Education is going to get you where you want to go. I went off to college to become a social studies teacher. And I was, in fact, a social studies teacher for about 3 years in total. I was doing welfare rights work and thought that we really ought to have a lawyer in this group. And that kind of sent me off to law school. Jesse Jackson ran for president. Now, why that's so significant is it got me into political work. I did a lot of work with the club for a bunch of years. And they surprised me one day saying, "We think you ought to run for judge." To which I said, "I don't think so." The thing was, I didn't really like judges. I was a lawyer, usually representing people who were not, in my mind at the time, favored in any way by the court system. I didn't want to be one of those people who I would have disliked. Having obtained the position when I was elected, I found that it was a powerful position, needing strength in terms of your knowledge of the law, compassion for whatever the issue was before the court. It was another one of those really right decisions that I wasn't so sure was right at the time I made it. The work of the Franklin H. Commission and the need for it became important because you have to push to get what you want. As much as the Constitution said all men are created equal, you only have to exist to know that that's not true in the United States, and it certainly was no more true in the court system than in the rest of the country. I feel it is a real honor to receive this award because it reminds me that I did something that mattered. If we treat people, as the Golden Rule says, do unto others as you would have them do unto you, it would be wonderful. But that don't happen. So the causes have to still be fought and worked for.